Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Atome Virtual Card. Alright, let's begin. I'll walk you through how to use the Atome Virtual Card for quick and easy payments. So first, install the Atome card from your App Store or Google Play. This is the first step to getting access to your virtual card. For those who don't know, Atome is a buy now, pay later service that lets you split your purchases into 3 interest-free payments at thousands of stores both online and offline. Once the app is installed, open it and get ready to set up your account. If you're new to Atome, tap register and enter your details. If you already have an account, just log in and proceed. Now go to the virtual card section and apply for one. It's completely free. Just follow the on-screen steps and provide the necessary details. If you want a physical card, you can choose a custom design for it. Otherwise, you can continue with just the virtual card. After your application is approved, your Atome Virtual Card will be activated and ready to use. And that's it. You can now shop and pay anywhere with your Atome Virtual Card, both online and in physical stores. It works just like any other card. The best part is that it's a MasterCard, meaning it's accepted at most stores and online platforms. As I mentioned, you can use it pretty much anywhere both in physical stores and online. For instance, you can use it on Amazon. We all know Amazon allows you to add your payment methods. To use your card, simply pick a product. So that's basically how you can use the Atome Virtual Card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.